Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up GST rates in Tally Prime. First, you need to enable GST features for your company. Go to the F11 Features menu and activate the Goods and Services tax option. Then, accurately enter your company's GST identification number, or GSTIN, and choose your registration type. Don't forget to specify the effective date for these GST details. This foundational step ensures Tally Prime is ready for tax calculations. Next, let's configure GST rates for individual stock items. When creating or altering a stock item, access the Set/Alter GST Details option. Here, you will enter the relevant HSN or SAC code, which is crucial for classification. Then, specify the taxability type and input the integrated tax rate. Tally Prime will automatically calculate and display the corresponding central and state tax components, ensuring precise item-level taxation. For efficiency, you can set GST rates at the stock group level. This is ideal when multiple items share the same tax rate. Simply create or alter a stock group and enable the Set/Alter GST Details option. Define the HSN or SAC code and taxability for the group. Then, input the integrated tax rate, and all items within this group will inherit these tax settings. This saves significant time compared to individual item setup. Finally, you can also configure GST rates at the ledger level, particularly useful for services or when rates vary by transaction type. When altering a sales or purchase ledger, ensure is GST applicable is set to applicable. Then, select Set/Alter GST Details to define the HSN or SAC code and the integrated tax rate directly within the ledger. This provides flexibility for transactions where item-level rates might not be suitable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.